told a buddy of his at Lee Street taxi.
Nora.
And that fella got his 17-year-old son
Say hi.
Charles' car to do the job. Charles was
Hiccups.
a freshman in Auburn.
Can you say hi?
Good boy. Hi, buddy boy.